So guys, we're starting to open my LOL surprise. My big surprise. I have all these wigs. All of them. Look at all that. All those wigs. I also have these little things. Now we're at the end. We're gonna open all these little balls. They have a little sister ball. Let's open it. Hold on, I need my magnifying glass to read the messages. Look for secret clues. It says a lot of S's. Right, next. There's nothing. This is amazing, guys. Like, I love this. I'm liking every of it. Oh my, okay. It's a lot of stuff. Let's open this. Oh, it's a little handbag. I like it. What's this? Oh, it's a little... It's a tiny magnifying glass. It's so cute. Alright. This is a chain. Alright. Let's open this last one. Oh, it's a little girl. Alright. Alright, let's open this one. The pets. It's the pets. It's so adorable. Ooh, I'm gonna save one of these and give to my cousin Layla because she likes LOL surprises like me. And plus, it's the most wonderful time of the year. So giving. So yeah. I forgot to check that message. Let's play hairball. And that was a dog? No, that's a kitty. I was about to say, dogs don't pop off hairballs, do they? Alright, it's open. Okay, that's a lot of stuff. What's this? Ooh, it's a half of a heart that looks like pizza. And it says you found the key. Alright, that's cool. Alright, next one. The little dress to put on her. It's adorable. What's this? I don't want to open that one just yet. It's a little pooper scooper. I want a dog. So I like dogs better than cats. I'm sorry. A little bottle. Alright. Oh, it's a little kitty. Oh, look at it. It's so pretty. Hey guys, this is sand. The litter box. So let's see what's in there, because it might be like a litter box, like sand. And if it is, y'all owe me $5 because I said so. Just kidding. Alright. What's in here? Let's open it. my god, it's sand. Alright, let's move that over there. Next, these are big, guys. Big. Alright, what does that say? Look for secret clues. Okay, let's unzip it. They have multiple prizes down at the bottom, and I'm opening those. And you know what? That ball is Layla's Christmas gift. Guys, LOL surprises, this big surprise can get really messy. Not messy, really, yeah, messy. Because then you have paper all over the floor. It has 60 surprises.
How many?
60!
Surprise after surprise after surprise after surprise.
And look at all these wigs. Oh, Dad, I was trying to get a dog, but it has a cat. So, Cash is not going to be happy about that. I'm friends with the monster! Pop it open. Pop, pop. Can I keep that too? I'm friends with the monster. I'm friends with the monster. Alright. Got a bottle in here, I think. Ooh, little pretty glitter block. Oh, look. I can't talk. Bottle. Oh my god, it's the girl to go with her. Oh my god, I love it. Alright. Alright, last one for my cousin, like I said. So we're going to put that right there. Alright. Oh my, okay, y'all. Oh my god. It had a picture of what I was going to get. Alright, now I know what my cousin's going to get. She's going to get this. Guys, don't tell her. She's going to get that girl with the blue hat. So, yeah. Let's open this. Oh, what is this? Okay, it's a little thing. There was a prize in it, I see. This is empty. This is, oh, it's not empty. Oh, it's a little sticker. Oh, that's cute. I was going for a little bit sip. I'm just kidding. I'm going to be grateful. Got a little. Are these stickers of the people I have? They better be. No, it's not stickers of the people I have. Alright. Another sticker. I think we're almost finished with this big surprise. I'm gonna put all my trash in there. Let's get all this stuff out. And now we can put all the trash. I'm friends with the mouse. Everything over here is just trash. Except the Christmas gift. I can pick that up later. Let's open these. Another sticker, a Halloween sticker. Is there a Christmas sticker? It's a mermaid sticker. Alright, guys. Is there anything at the bottom? Please say. Alright, guys. That was it for this video. We unboxed everything. Next video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got. So, yeah. I'll see you guys later. Bye.